him did go part the Red Sea, set all of the captive them free, send him son through the Virgin Mary. Yeah, yeah. Come make we trust everything where him tell we. Worship and praise him daily. 'Cause nothing at all no there where God can do. Greetings, greetings, greetings. And welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series through Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts about the miracles and the signs and wonders that Jesus and his disciples performed. So come with me, we could build with faith. And if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you just click the subscribe button and the notification bell. To make sure say you no miss none of what I go and write here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 21 from verse 18 to verse 22. Now, early in the morning, when Jesus go back at the town, him did hungry. So he see one fig tree at the roadside and go cross which part it there. But he didn't see nothing at all upon it. Just so leaf. Jesus said to the tree, say, "You're not going to ever bear fruit again." And same time the fig tree dry up. When him follower them see what him do, them eye open up wide. Them say, "Oh, the fig tree dry up so fast." Jesus answer back, "Me tell you this, and I chew me attack. If uno just trust in a God little, and no if I'm but and wonder, uno nah go just do what me do to the fig tree there. But all if uno say to the mountain here, get up, go fling yourself in the sea, it will happen. And anything where uno pray and ask God for, if uno believe, say him gonna, uno will get it." A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.